Balik muli sa section 1, third year. Doon ko lamang po natikman ang makapasok sa top 10 ng section 1. Ang sarap pala sa pakiramdam na maraming tao ang masaya sa iyo dahil sa nakamit ng karangalan. At dumating yung recognition day na ako ay naparangalan ng 4th honorable mention. Kaya siguro sila nagmula. Sa ngayon po, ako ay nagkolehiyo sa pamantasan ng Luzon na Valenzuela. Para mailawas sa kolehiyo, naging working student po ako. Nagturo din po ako sa TESDA. Scholar din po ako. At naging laman ng iba't ibang kompetisyon sa loob at labas ng pamantasan ng Luzon na Valenzuela. Alin po dito ay ang National Math Wizard at national level ng kompetisyon sa pribadong kumpanya sa Paris, France. Consistent lister din po ako, top 1. Graduating class ng Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering. Noong 2015 po, isa sa mga kinakatakutan namin lahat, ang board exam. So sa kabutihang palad naman po, ako po ay nakapasa take 1. Ngayon po, ako po ay isang ganap ng rehistradong engineer of electrical o registered electrical engineer. At matatapos ko na rin po ang aking masteral sa Mapua Institute of Technology. Ngayon po, isa po akong inhinyero sa isang mall at isang profesor sa minamahal kong pamantasan ng Luzon na Valenzuela. Mga mag-aaral, ang satisfaction, depende yan sa atin. Ika nga ng ating professor. Depende yan na dapat natin tugunan. Pwede sabihin na dahil honor student ka, magiging successful ka na. Pag ako tinanong, Sir Judel, successful ka na ba? Sasabihin ko po hindi pa. Dahil ang pagtatapos ng pag-aaral po, ang makukuha nating karangalan ngayon, ay parte po lamang yan. O requirement lamang po yan para maging successful sa buhay. Muli, binabati ko po ang lahat ng mag-aaral. Congratulations po.
Muriel, for your funny anecdotes and heartwarming message for our students.
To give us another special number, let us all welcome the selected grade 11 students.
Why you gotta act so naughty? Oh, nah, I'm about to spend all this cash. Oh, nah, keep taking that. Oh, nah, nah, nah. Put your hands in the air, looking at the sky. Oh, nah, nah, nah. Put your hands in the air, looking something nice. Oh, nah, 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 oh, nah, 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 Sunday afternoon, I'm driving. Chance of anything. Everything that gets to know you. I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric, baby, when I turn it on. Off from my city, off from my home. We're flying up, no feeling when we in our zone. I've got that sunshine in my pocket, got that under the lights and everything goes. Nowhere to hide, but I'm getting too close. When we move on, you already know. It's just the magic. See what you do, dance, dance, dance.
and certificates to the students who have shown exemplary knowledge and skills for this school year. Let us start with the special recognition awardees. Again, for the infomercial radio broadcasting contest at the division level with his coach, Mr. Robbie B. De La Vega. Next awardees, we do have
Rivera Ella,
Ailey Soriven,
Lapiceros Christine,
and then Karen Dewey from 9 Ecclesiastes and 9 Psalms, a winner of 10th place collaborative publishing, 6th place best in news page, 6th place best in editorial page, 5th place best in feature page, and then 5th place best in sports page. Level of competition, division, and the name of the coach is Mr. Robbie B. De La Vega.
Next, let us have Sophia Irene M. Reyes, 9 songs, division level. Her coach, Miss Maria Rhea Pelayo. She won in the 2016 Division Secondary School Press Conference, 7th place, radio broadcasting. 2016 Division Secondary School Press Conference, 7th place, radio broadcasting. Ivan Frederick S. Sanyosa, 9 songs, division level. His coach,
Is Mrs. Maria Rhea Pelayo.
he won in the 2016 Division Secondary School Press Conference, 7th place, best in layout.
Also, we would like to call on Jimwell D. Gonzalez from 9 Timothy, winner of the 2016 Division Secondary Schools Press Conference, 7th place, best in layout, with their coach, Mrs. Maria Rhea Pelayo.
Alan Michael Bretanya, 9 songs, division level. His coach, Noel C. Gabriel. He won in the Tech Olympics 2016 2nd place, electrical installation and maintenance. Next is Miss Charmaine P. De La Cruz, 7 Love, division level.
Divisyong Paligsahan sa Buwan ng Wika, first place Bugtungan Challenge. And her coach is Mrs. Annalisa Bartol. level competition NCR. He won silver and gold medal in the 3K Marathon Athletic Meet with his coach, Miss Yolanda E. Gavina.
First place in Math Festival, Math Galing. His coach, Mrs. Maria. We would like to request the presence of the parents to accompany the child or daughter or son here on stage to award the certificate or medal for your daughter or son.
Mini to our science quest with their coach, Mr. Ernesto D.C. Endero Jr.